The world, upright, completion, integration, accomplishment, travel. Reversed, seeking personal closure, shortcuts, delays. The world is the final card in the Major Arcana of the tarot deck, representing completion, fulfillment, and wholeness. It depicts a naked woman, or sometimes a hermaphrodite figure, holding a wand in each hand, surrounded by a wreath with the 4 elemental symbols at each corner. The figure is often surrounded by 4 winged creatures, representing the 4 fixed signs of the zodiac. Interpretation of the world card can vary depending on the context and position in the reading, but overall it represents a sense of achievement, satisfaction, and completion. The card often suggests a feeling of integration, unity, and harmony with oneself and the world around us. It can indicate that the querent has reached a stage of mastery or accomplishment in a particular area of their life, or that they are on the cusp of reaching a long-held goal or aspiration. In a tarot reading, the world may also suggest a time of transition and change. It can represent a turning point or a moment of closure, as the querent prepares to move on to new experiences and opportunities. The card may indicate a sense of being in limbo, suspended between the old and the new, and needing to let go of the past in order to move forward. The world is a card of manifestation and manifestation of one's desires. It suggests that the querent is in a position of power and has the ability to create the reality they desire through focused intention and action. It can indicate a time of expansion and growth, as the querent steps into a new level of abundance, prosperity, or personal fulfillment. On a deeper level, the world represents the integration of the self, the alignment of the inner and outer worlds, and a sense of being in touch with one's higher purpose or destiny. The card may suggest a time of spiritual awakening or enlightenment, as the querent gains a deeper understanding of themselves and their place in the universe. In a love reading, the world may suggest a union or partnership that is fulfilling and harmonious. It can indicate a sense of completeness and wholeness within oneself and in the relationship, and a deepening of love and commitment. In a career reading, the world may indicate the successful completion of a project or the attainment of a long-held goal. It can suggest a time of recognition, promotion, or advancement, as well as the need to expand one's skills or knowledge in order to reach the next level. Overall, the world is a card of achievement, completion, and integration. It represents a sense of fulfillment and wholeness, as well as a transition to new opportunities and experiences.